Jamaica yard life up and about from early. You know, energy go. Me alone this morning. I plan to run going to the hills. Yeah, man. No energy go, but I have to check on the produce most naturally. So I just run go up on the farm go see what I go on this morning. Yeah, man. So come along with me, man. I'm here so far there. You up there, ready? I got work. I got work, you ready? Come on. Come on. Yeah, man. They call it lick plug shop. Yeah, man. Somerset St. Thomas. True blessing. Come on, yard, man. Yeah, man, this morning kind of dark, you know. Most naturally. Yeah, man, I have to show out from early going to the hills, you know. A lot of errands to run, so I have to up on a boat from about 5 or somebody here about, you know, the energy go. Man's got to do what a man got to do. Yeah, man, you know, me I tried in the bush. As I tell you from before, it's a country. Now one of them young and I said nothing. Most people that look on this and I say, yo, your life hard, eh? Yeah, man. You have to walk so far in the bush. And you have to ride donkey and all these things. Yo, the thing rough, you know? I say, no, man. It's as rough as what you think. Yeah, man. Trust me. Once you get up this morning and you have life, you can tell you say, oh, life nice. Yeah, man. Boy, man, like fire, you know. Yeah, man. You know the walk, though. I'm faithful there, you know. Yeah, man. Suffer as usual. You know the energy go. Up and about night countryside. And there I look for my virgin carrot. Yeah, man, there that way you see of the horse in my previous video. Yeah, man, there I look on him for man. Trust me. It's beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful, man. Well, be here now. See no time to come. Carrot to stone dog. Yeah, man, but I got a bush now. Come my yard. Step up. Step up. Yeah, man, Jamaica yard life, you know. This is yard. Really yard life. We keep it natural. All natural. No preservative. Woo! Suit out. Yeah, man. So right now, I'll see if we can chop down. Wait there. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, man. I trim up them tree there. Most naturally. Trim up them one there. And then one around there, so. Get rid of them grass, yeah. Yeah, man. See if we can pretty up the place a little. Yeah, man, so. Come on, yard, man. Yeah, man. Me alone there bush today, now. Well, not me alone. Me a sufferer. Yeah, man, so. No time for linger. Put in the work. Yeah, man, so this morning we're gonna do some maintenance work, you know. Sort out the farm. Yeah, man, trim up some of the tree there, man. We spring back and get out some of the grass them way. Spring up back, you know. Yeah man, you know we have to do what we have to do most naturally. Yeah man. Oops. They are fall down in it. Chef there today, you know. Is it? Shout out to all of the patrons from Jamaica. Yeah man, you know energy going on yard with it. We have beat a Pepsi Cola. Yeah man. Jamaica yard life, I tell you, say get up, get about, and do the right thing. And remember, walk with the Most High every time.
Top party I look on him. Low one. Give me the part that was poor now. So the cup's still in there.
Sound like a Jeep, so.
The cup is still in there.
Hey, no play with them van there, you know.
I'm glad them done the change.
Strong like a lion.
It's not a thing where you change because they make you have to buy frame, you know. Frame weird. So you lick them once every minute. You see them start drop out by themselves. As they go in go lock. Because you see once it slack up.
Yeah, no, I'll even keep and drive on them there.
Fat skull, what you do, man? What you do? Me tell you take off one shocks at a time. Why you pull off the two shocks them for, brother? You know, listen. One at a time. So where you take off the two for? You know, wait, brother. You need to put yourself in a trouble, bad man. Bad man, you must listen in a fat skull. Why you want to listen? What will up the bike now? What will up the bike? Real. What will up the bike that you can't go to the because they're supposed to drop down now. Watch it.
Yeah, man, you see what daddy farm pretty beautiful. Tell them, man, come on yard, man. A whole lot for show y'all in a color loop, a stone dog.
Yeah, tell her. I see all the young one, see all the next 2 weeks time you come in and see them there.
No. You can't ride bike. So
Yes, I look bike with chain wheel.
training wheel.
Bike.
Oh, you want one bicycle with training wheel?
No, one bike
You want-
chain wheel.
What you want?
Bike the bike chain wheel.
Mm-hmm.
And then fix up the bike for me.
Mm-hmm.